What up, Ninja Nation? It's Bowman 9000, aka the Trombone Ninja. Today I got something a little bit different for you guys. Usually I bring you guys some NBA 2K content, but this time I got a little bit something different. For those of you that know me or have been around the channel for a while, my birthday is in May. My birthday was just this past weekend. I turned 30. So usually when my birthday comes around, I buy something nice for myself. Usually it's a pair of shoes. Like 3 out of the last 5 years has been a pair of shoes. So yeah, I've been really fortunate to be able to do that. I use StockX to do that. It was like a stock market for shoes and bags, and it shows you like how much the shoe is going for. You can put a bid on it, or you can just, you know, buy it outright. So I was stalking this shoe. I ended up getting myself the PG 2.5, the Wolf Gray, the PlayStation edition with the light. I mean, it is by far the coolest pair of shoes I've ever purchased. They just got to my house today, which is fortunate for me because I'm going to Montreal literally tonight. So I was hoping they would not arrive after I left town. But yeah, they made it here, and we're gonna open this box. So the box has a little bit of like creases on it and whatnot, but I'm not really mad about it. It was shipped via UPS. I live in Philly. I know how it be. These guys just throw stuff around. It came inside of another box, but that was kind of beat up as well, so I don't really mind. I'm not gonna collect the shoe. I'm gonna wear the shoe. Okay, I don't buy shoes to put them up on the shelf and go, hey guys, look at this cool shoe I'm never gonna buy, never gonna wear. That ain't me. So I'm wearing the shoe. So let's get right into it. The box is pretty cool. I'm pretty sure my girlfriend's gonna make me throw it out. So it's got Paul George 2 on it. It shows you what size. It got a signature on the box as well. This came out in December 2018, so just this past December. I think it started selling for like 110 or 115. I would believe it was in 2K. Was it in this 2K or the last? Oh, that's right. They had another PlayStation edition of the PG ones. That went in 2K for like 5,000 VC. It was some ridiculousness. It was a lot of VC for that. So I never got the shoe because I was like, nah, I'm grinding. So yeah, we're here. Let's open this box up, shall we? Woo! There it is. Oh, there's some stuff on it. So it comes with basically like so when you buy the shoe, no, the seller takes your bid or your option to buy, and then they send the shoe to StockX where they actually sit there and authenticate the shoe. They inspect it, make sure it's not a fake, make sure it's legit, and then they release the money to the actual seller and they ship the shoe from the facility. So it comes in with this, you know, they want me to snap a pic of it. Maybe I'll do that. I'll probably put that up on social media to tell you exactly what it's called. So Nike PG 2.5 PlayStation Wolf Gray. I wear a size 11, so finding stuff in my size at a reduced rate is kind of tough, but I do like how I'm made out here. I think I end up paying $150 for it. I was pretty satisfied. I didn't feel like I gypped a sticker. I don't know where I'm gonna put the sticker, but it's kind of cool. StockX, yeah, so we're gonna do that. Anyway, back to the shoe, right? All right. This right here is the coolest shoe I've ever purchased. So you guys can see it right here. I'll hold it up for you guys. You know, this is the side. It has a green check mark. Obviously the Nike swoosh. It has 93552 right here. I don't know what that means, but if somebody in the comments could please tell me, that would be really cool. Right here underneath the strap, there's a 2.5. You really can't see unless you're like right up on it. But it has a strap here, so this is pretty cool. Bam, so yellow on one side, green on this side. This is the authentication chip right here. If I realize I inspect the shoe and there's something wrong with it or something they missed, as long as I don't take this off, I can return it to them and submit a claim. It's all over the thing. You know, please inspect item. All claims are null and void if tag is removed. So I'm gonna leave it on there until I put the shoe on. I haven't tried it on yet. So yeah, this is it. It has a strap that comes across here. Bow. So you tie the shoe like you normally would, and then for some extra protection, or you know, some like a more snug fit down near the toe area, you can pull this and then strap it down. And all over here is all the PlayStation symbols. I'll put up a little bit closer to the screen so you guys can see. Yes, so that's that one. Let's make sure this light works. I heard there's a light on it. So inside the tongue here, there's the PlayStation on symbol. I love it. Inside is PlayStation as well, and like a cosmic vibe. I love cosmic vibes. So you push this right in the front. You guys can't tell, but you can see in the back that that's on. That's blue right here, and it does light up towards the front. When it's darker, you can see the light right here. So I'm gonna turn it off and make sure it stays off. So that's the first shoe. And then they got the other shoe, which is different colors. You can see the red check mark here is the right shoe, and as well as the blue right there. Same thing. So this one has the Paul George symbol instead of the PlayStation symbol on the tongue. I'm digging it. Let's make sure this light works. Does it work? I don't know. Oh, yes it does. I had to press. Oh, so okay, you can see it on the inside, but I can see it right here. I don't know if you guys can tell that the light does work, but I don't see it lighting up in the back like the other one did. But this lights up in the front more than the other one, but I can tell in good light it does work. So let me turn that off. Strap is here as well, obviously on both shoes the same. Gel on the bottom. I don't know if I showed this. Is it the same? Yeah, it's the same on both shoes. So yeah, that is that. I'm really digging this shoe. Red and blue check marks on the other side. Yeah, still all the PlayStation vibe. I'm loving it. I think I may take the shoe to Montreal, Canada with me today. I just might take it with me. Let me at least put on the right side shoe just to make sure it fits, so I don't have to return it. All right, hang on. New shoe smell. It's great. All right. Obviously, they got the stuffing in here. Nobody wants to see that. Everybody knows the new shoes come with stuffing in it. Duh. All right, so yeah, I just ended up trying on this shoe. It is a snug fit. I'll tell you that for certain. I'm sure it's gonna take some breaking in because this shoe is brand new. Nike Zoom right here, embroidered or whatever you want to call it. One of my biggest fears did happen while I was trying on this shoe. I accidentally clicked the button on the tongue and it lit up. A fear of mine is when you put the shoe on, if you're rushing, bow, you hit that on and you're wasting the battery. From what I was reading, these are not replaceable. So once the battery goes out, that's it. Now, I'm sure I could take some of the value out of the shoe by cutting in here and getting to the battery. I'm sure you can replace the battery, but you know, for real, you're not supposed to. Once it goes out, it goes out. The shoe catches your heels in this area. I don't know how much you guys can see. Yeah, right in here, right underneath this is like where it holds your ankle support and all that. Up here is like a snug fit. This is like not really anything there. George on the back, in case you guys didn't see. I think it says George on both sides. Nope, one says Paul and one says George, so you guys can see. Bow, Paul and George both there. But yeah, while I put these shoes away, I just have to be very careful not to click that button. If I'm gonna pack these shoes on a trip, you gotta ultra make sure that when you put these in your suitcase, you don't click this button, because it'll be on from the time you close your suitcase until the time you open it, and that could be like 12 hours. I pack just before I leave the house for trips, at least a little bit, maybe overnight, and then I go to bed and wake up and go. I don't check the suitcase, I checked it at night. So that's my biggest fear for this shoe, is you pack it up and you turn the light on and waste the battery out. So be very careful of that. And yeah, if you guys made it to the end of the video, I appreciate it, man. Make sure you subscribe if you have not done so already. I got a lot of NBA 2K19 content, a lot of tutorials for you guys to see. And yeah, I'll be hitting you guys with some more Pro-Am stuff when I get back. I do have a lot of footage recorded. I just have not had the time to go through and actually edit it alongside of writing. Speaking of writing, I write for All You Can Heat. It's a Miami Heat website. I specifically cover Heat Check Gaming as a part of the site. I'm pretty sure I'm the only one who does it on the Fansided network completely. So definitely check that stuff out. I have some stuff coming out today. One piece came out earlier. The next piece will come out later. Heat Check played 2 games last night. And yeah, We out. Peace.